Hello, we have been solving this past papers. So right now I have this mathematics paper 1, pure math 1, and it's May, June 2025. We did question number 1 and 2 in the previous video. So I will jump on to question number 3. Okay, it's interesting. You see, we have given this expression. The coefficient of x power 7 in the section is this much. Find the value of p. Okay, so this is the binomial expansion question. Okay, remember if you have this a plus b power n, then we expand it by n combination 0 and a power n minus 0 and b power 0, which is basically only a power n plus. Next term is n combination 1 a power, sorry, a not e, a power n minus 1 and b power 1. Next is n combination 2 and a power n minus 2 and b power 2 and so on, right? And last term comes out to be n combination n, which is basically 1 only, a power n minus n, which is 0, which is 1, which is, and b power n. So you can see that gradually A has power n here and then n minus 1, it reduces, and B has power 0 and then B power 1, 2, and B power is increasing. And we have to decide about this coefficient. So a general term in this expansion, you write it as n combination R, A power n minus R, and B power R. Okay, you see R is 0, we have first term, R is 1, we have next term, R is 2, we have next term, and if R is equal to n, we have the last term. So this R varies from 0, 1 up till n. Okay, so in this form, if I try to write the general term over here, it is going to be 5 is my n, it is 5 combination R, and A, which is px squared, it has power 5 minus r, and then B, which is 4 over px, it has a power of r. Okay, so the general term for this expression, for this expansion, is going to be something like this. Okay, let me simplify a little bit. The 5 combination r, and then p power 5 minus r, and x square power the same thing. So this will, I can write it as okay, let me write square power 5 minus r, and then 4 over p s power r and x power r. Okay, so let me rearrange it a little bit. 5 combination r, and then p power 5 minus r, and I will write it a little bit later. And the last one is 4 over p power r, and x power is how much? X power is 10 minus 2r, right? When I multiply this 2 with 5 and then 2r, and plus r. Okay, so this will become 5 combination r, and okay, let me leave it as it is. I can simplify it. This is going to be p power negative r. So this will become p power 5 minus, and minus r and minus 2r, and 4 power r. Okay, and x power, you see 10 minus 2r plus r. So this is become 10 minus r. Okay, 10 minus r. Yes. Okay. Now we are given that in when we expand this term, we have different terms, and there will be one term which has x power 7 in it. So x power 7 mean this whole thing mean 10 minus r has to be 7. It means R has to be 10 minus 7, which is 3, right? Okay, this is very interesting. So we got the value of R. When R is 3, then we have x power 7. Okay, so it means that now I have 5 combination 3, p power 5 minus 3 times 2 is 6, and then 4 power r in 3, and x power 10 minus 3 is 7, right? And finally, we are told that x power 7 coefficient is 1280. It means this whole thing, 5 combination 3, and 4 power 3 is how much? 64 into p power 5 minus 6 minus 1. So this whole thing should be equal to 1280. Make sense? Okay. So 5 combination 3 is what? 5 combination 3. It is going to be 5 times 4 times 3 divided by 3 factorial. So 3 times 2. So this will cancel. I get 10. Okay. So 10 times 64. It will become 640 over P is equal to 1280. Makes sense? No problem. Okay, and finally, this P is equal to 640 divided by 1280. You can see this is actually double of it. 4 times, so this is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so my final answer is P equal to 1 by 2. I hope you understand every step of this problem and all the logic behind every step and the philosophy behind every step. Okay, now this question number 4. A point P is moving along a curve with equation this. So this is an equation between x and y. So this is the equation of a curve. Okay, in such a way that the x coordinate of P is increasing at a rate of 5 units per second. Okay, this is interesting. So we are given that dx by dt is equal to 5, right? Read it again, that x coordinate of the P is increasing at a rate of 5 units per second. So increasing with time, right? So this is dx by dt is 5. Okay. And part A says find the rate at which the y coordinate is changing. Okay. So we need to find that at what rate y coordinate is changing. So we need to find out. Okay. And we have to evaluate this thing at x is equal to 9. Okay. Now, the given curve is y equals a x power 3 by 2 minus 12x. All right. So what is dy by dx? Okay. This is going to be a 3 by 2. Okay. Into x power 3 by 2 minus 1. This is 1 by 2 minus 12 only. Am I right? So we can simplify it as 3 by 2 in 1.5a and under the root x minus 12. Okay, I found dy by dx. Now, look at this. I need to find dy by dt. This would be equal to dy by dx into dx by dt, right? And root, it will given dy by dt. Okay, so what is dy by dx? It is given as 1.5a under the root x minus 12 and multiply by dx by dt, which is 5, right? And we have to evaluate this quantity when x is equal to 9. So basically, I want to evaluate dy by dt when x is equal to 9. So I will substitute 9 for x here. So it's going to be 1.5a into under the root 9 minus 12 and 5. Okay. So this will become 5, I can write in the beginning. 900 is 3. 3 times 1.5. It is 4.5. Am I right? 4.5a minus 12. Okay. So this is the final answer. Uh, some books write it in a little bit different way. We can leave it as it is. Or if you want. Um, yes. Okay. This is 40. Okay. This is 45 over 10 a minus 12, right? So what can I take common further out from here? I can take 3. There's one 3. So 15 over 10 a minus 4. Okay. And if I take divided by 2 common outside as well, it will be 15 over 5a minus 8. And this will become this, I can write it as 15 over 2. And this is 3a minus 8. Okay, I mean, this is also correct, but I just try to write it in the way the solution gives us the answer. Okay, this is part A. And part B, given that the curve has a minimum point when x is 1 by 4, find the value of A. Okay, interesting. Remember, uh, when if I have a curve, this is x-axis, y-axis, and I have a curve, so the at minimum point, the dy by dx is 0, right? The derivative is 0 because the slope is 0. Okay, so I know that dy by dx, I found it as uh, yes, it was 1.5 a under the root x minus 12, right? Okay, so this is equal to 0. It means 1.5 a under the root x. What am I trying to? Yeah, and x is 1 by 4, sorry. 1 by 4 minus 12 equals 0. So basically 1 by 4 root is 1 by 2. So 1.5 over 2a is equal to 12. So a is equal to 12 times 2 divided by 1.5. So this is 24 over 1.5. And how can I simplify it further? This is, oh my goodness, 24. I can multiply by 10 over 15. Okay. So A is equal to 16. Okay. Uh, this is our solution for question number 4. Okay, I will stop here. I hope you understand every step and the logic and philosophy behind every step. Uh, if you understand this question, if you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. And if you think that these videos are helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.